This little girl loves Frosty Paws. Don't you? What is in this little cup? You know what's in here, huh? What's in the cup? What's in the cup? Frosty Paws? Yeah? Would you like one? Would you like a Frosty Paw? Huh? Look at that tail. Okay. What's in here? Okay, we're gonna have to take the cup off. Can you lick it? Can you try? Okay, let me take the cup off. Okay, bye-bye.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be